You know those two dipping sauces they give you every time you eat at a Benihana restaurant? The ginger dipping sauce for seafood and the mustard dipping sauce for meat? Well, I've seen a ton of recipes online that supposedly show you how to make these sauces, but none of them are correct. So today I want to set the record straight and show you exactly how to make the mustard dipping sauce using the exact ingredients they use at all Benihana restaurants. And because Benihana restaurants use Americanized versions of Japanese recipes, you can make the sauce using ingredients that you can find at any grocery store. So let me show you how ridiculously easy it is to make this sauce. To start, add 2.5 tablespoons or 25 grams of sesame seed to a skillet over medium heat. Now, because sesame seeds are so small, they burn very easily and they're very bitter if they scorch, so you'll want to keep the pan moving or stir the seeds with a spoon while they're cooking. They'll usually turn a nice shade of light brown in about 3 to 5 minutes. And make sure you don't skip this step because it really gives the sauce its unique flavor. And this is the color you're looking for. Then to a blender or a food processor, add 1 cup or 240 milliliters of soy sauce, all of the toasted sesame seeds, 1/2 teaspoon or 1 gram of Coleman's mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon or 2.5 grams of water, 1/8 teaspoon or 1/2 gram of garlic powder, and blend on high for 30 seconds to 1 minute or until the seeds have totally emulsified into the sauce. Set the blended sauce aside and heat up 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of heavy cream in a pot over medium heat until the cream has slightly heated. Then add the reserved blended soy mixture and whisk into the cream until the sauce has heated through. Now, the sauce is ready to be served as is, but if you're planning to make it ahead of time and refrigerate it, the starches in the ground sesame can thicken the sauce slightly, so you'll just want to reheat it and thin it out with a bit of cream before serving. And that is the exact recipe directly from Benihana. Now, don't worry because in a couple of days, I've got another video coming out where I'm going to show you exactly how to make the ginger dipping sauce. So I hope you'll try to make these at home because you can save a lot of money and they taste exactly like what you get from the restaurant. Let me know in the comments if you made the sauce at home and what you like eating with it. And if you enjoyed the video, please share, hit like, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.